Hi guys, this is Gary with R&E Paint and Supply. You can find us at repaintsupply.com, and today we're going to be working on a motorcycle fairing that has some pretty deep scratches on that, and Michael's going to use the Roberto Multiplast. This product works excellent to bare plastic. It can be used as a filler and that sort of thing. And we're going to use the SprayMax Wax and Grease Remover to clean. We're going to use the SprayMax Plastic Adhesion Promoter. And we're going to use the SprayMax Rapid Filler Primer. And we're going to use our in-house R&E custom color aerosol can. And this one happens to be black. And we're going to follow that up with using the SprayMax 2K Clear Coat, the Glamour Clear. Works wonderful, and you guys are going to see just how easy this project will really be. And Michael's going to go through all the steps for you and show you exactly how to do that.
Okay guys, so as you can see, this piece has got some pretty good like road rash scratches on it, several rock chips. So what we're going to do is we're going to start sanding this damaged area with some 80 grit on a DA sander, and we're going to put some filler on it after that. So stay tuned and we're going to get started. Okay guys, so we finished sanding down our part with 80 grit and we've wiped it down with the SprayMax Wax and Grease Remover. Now we're going to take this Roberto Multiplast, and this is a special filler made for plastics, SMC, things like that. You don't want to use regular body filler on these kind of parts because it won't stick. So we're going to mix some of this up just like a traditional body filler, spread it on this panel, let it dry a few minutes, and then come back and block it in. Okay guys, now that we've let our filler set for about 20-30 minutes here, we're going to sand it in. We're going to take some 180 grit on a block to smooth this out. So we're going to do that. Then we'll come back and finish sand it with some 220 and then start priming over it. We're probably going to prime this part a couple times, make sure we're good and straight. So we're going to jump in and sand this down with some 180 grit. So guys, like all SprayMax product, this has to be activated. So there's a red button on top, it goes onto the bottom of the can, and once you break this seal between these two, you will hear it and feel it go off, and then that activates the product. You'll shake this for 2 minutes, and then we're ready to start spraying. Okay guys, now we've let our primer dry. We let this dry overnight. So now we're going to start blocking and sanding this piece out. So I'm going to start with some 180. Go to 320, and then we may end up priming again and then final sanding with 600. You don't have to do that final prime if everything turns out good to suit you. You can just go the 320 and 600. Since this piece had quite a bit of damage on it, we're going to go the 180, 320, and 600. So I'm going to do this with a standard block and start with some piece of 180 grit. Okay guys, we have finished sanding this with the 320 and the 600, and we've already wiped it down with the SprayMax Wax and Grease Remover. So to get good uniform coverage, we're going to spray this with the SprayMax Black Epoxy Primer, and then we're going to let that flash for about 15 or 20 minutes and then go straight to our base coat. Like always with any two-part product, make sure you wear a charcoal respirator and have good ventilation. Okay guys, we've let this base coat dry about 45 minutes, so now we're getting ready to come back over it with the SprayMax 2K. And like all SprayMax products, they are catalyzed, so you need to wear a charcoal respirator and make sure you activate this product before you use it. So we're now going to apply 3 coats of SprayMax to this motorcycle part.
Guys, we want to thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it informative, if you would like and subscribe, we would appreciate it so much. Click the bell notification, that way you know when we post videos. And hopefully we'll be doing more of this in the future. Hey, if you find something else that you would like for us to give a video on, just put it in the comments below.